Is your dashboard flashing this ominous light? The P0524 code can be a car owner's worst nightmare. It signals low engine oil pressure, a critical problem demanding immediate attention. Ignoring it can lead to severe damage. In this video, CodeMechanic will demystify P0524, covering its causes, symptoms, and effective solutions. Engine oil is your engine's lifeblood, lubricating moving parts and preventing friction. It's essential for smooth operation. Oil pressure ensures this vital fluid reaches every corner. Without adequate pressure, parts grind, causing wear. Think of it as your engine's circulatory system. Proper pressure maintains optimal performance and longevity. Maintaining correct oil pressure is paramount. It directly impacts your engine's health and lifespan. Let's dive into the common culprits behind the P0524. Code first, the simplest. A low oil level. Always check your oil regularly. A quick top-up can often resolve this issue before it escalates. Next, a faulty oil pressure sensor. This component can send incorrect readings, triggering the code. Diagnosis often involves testing the sensor's output. Replacement is usually straightforward for a skilled mechanic. A worn oil pump is a more serious concern. It's responsible for circulating oil throughout the engine. Symptoms include persistent low pressure even with adequate oil. This requires professional attention. Clogged oil filters or passages restrict oil flow, starving critical engine components. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial to prevent this. Don't skip your maintenance schedule. Using incorrect oil viscosity can also cause issues. Always refer to your vehicle's manual for the right type. Finally, worn engine bearings. This is a more severe mechanical issue, often a result of prolonged low oil pressure. It typically manifests as knocking noises and requires extensive engine repair or replacement. Beyond the P0524 code, several symptoms can alert you to low oil pressure. The warning light is the most obvious. Listen for engine knocking or ticking noises, especially from the top or bottom of the engine. Reduced engine performance, like sluggish acceleration or a noticeable loss of power, can also be a sign. Finally, engine overheating. Lack of lubrication increases friction, leading to excessive heat buildup. If you encounter P0524, start with initial checks. Verify your oil level and inspect for any visible leaks. If these simple steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to seek professional help. Don't delay. Preventative maintenance is your best defense. Regular oil changes, using the correct oil, and timely inspections. Addressing P0524 promptly is crucial for your engine's health and your peace of mind on the road. Remember, regular maintenance saves you from costly repairs down the line. Stay proactive. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more CodeMechanic content.